Hey programmers, hey engineers, hey coders, whosoever is watching this video, hello guys. So today we are going to solve the one of the easiest and one of the cool question, which is merge to sorted list. So this question is very interesting and very good and very simple as well. So we don't have to worry about anything else in this question, because the question is already sorted, the node is already sorted, so it's very simple for us. And thanks to the question, the question is very easy. Now coming to the next part, what we have to do is we just have to simply merge these two nodes so that we can get this final node. Okay, and remember one thing, they don't have given any kind of more constraints or more restrictions, so what we can't do. So it's just quite simple. Let me explain you first what we are going to do. Okay, so let me just explain you. All right, so let's take an example. The node is sorted, so we will take, for example, the first node L1 equals to, which is for example, just take it as 3, 4 and 5. All right guys, and just take this one is like 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is our L2. So now we have to create a node which is combined of these two nodes. So how this thing will happen is, first of all, we'll check is this one is so we'll check between these two if this one is small or this one is small. So we say that this value is small, so we will take this one as our head. Okay, so we will put this one over here, 1. All right guys, now it will check is this one is small or this one is small. So it will say this one is small again. All right, so we will put this one over here. Now this will check is this one is small or this one is small. So they both are equal, so it doesn't matter, we will take this one or that one is the same thing. So for example, if we take this thing, okay, so now for this one, this thing, now what we got just 4 and 5, so we just simply put 4 and 5 over here and we got our node. All right guys, this is a very simple example. Not just take an example, what happened if we still have 6 left over here, we don't have anything to compare over here. So what we're gonna do is over here is, so we just simply make one condition, if L1 is still exists, then we simply put L1 over here. Okay, now take an example for if this one is still exist. Okay, so if this one is bigger, so now what will happen is the L1 is empty and L2 is still over there. So then we will say yeah, just take the last one as well. So we will create a similar condition for L2 as well. So the code is very simple guys, is nothing to worry. You will easily understand what I want to say in the code. Okay, so just have a look at over here. So first of all, let me create a new node. I will say as a temporary node. And I'm giving this node as value 0 because we don't know which one is the head. So this one this thing help us to figure out which one is the head. So now what I did is I create a current node which is equals to temp node. Alright guys, now I will put one while condition, while L1 is not equals to null. Alright guys, so now we will just simply put our condition if L1 dot val and L2 dot val, sorry, I don't have to put n over here, I have to put if L1 dot val is less than L2 dot val. So now what will happen is it will say if L1 value is less than L2 value, then in our current node we will put current node dot next, we will put L1. all right, and L1 equals to L1 dot next. All right guys, similarly we do, if L1 is bigger and L2 is smaller, then same thing happen, but in such a different way. just the values change, nothing else. So how to have this question is quite simple. I think you understand in the first instance. I don't think like you have to again watch this video. Now we have to say like if the L1 and or L2 still exist, then we will work for them. Alright, so I just put current node as a next node. Okay, so if the condition I'm saying like if L1 is still exist, okay, then what we want to do is let me just copy and paste this code over here. Simple as that. Alright, and if L2 node is still exist, then I just create this one. Okay, let me just copy and paste this one over here. Alright, so don't worry about the spaces and all that, because it's only for us, not for the computers. Just remember to like put inside the function, don't put outside the function. Just the only thing you have to remember. Rest all the computers handle things. So yeah, so now in the end we will return temp node dot next. All right, so guys, I hope you understand the question and the code as well. What I want to say is, let me just hit a run. Okay, so I think we just did a little mistake over here. So guys, we just did a little mistake over here, so I just forgot to put next over here. Yeah, so if I run this, and guys, one more thing, like we don't want to use this equals to bracket, like it's unnecessary, because if we use this one, might be our code. Let's just check. I don't know. Yeah, it's it's the same thing. So I hope you understand this question. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I just want to say like if you have any doubts, any questions, anything, just let me know down in my comment section. I will definitely solve your problem. And thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. I really love you from bottom of my heart, man. See you.